Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to create a project in Claude AI. So, projects in Claude AI let you organize related conversations, files, instructions, and other information in one dedicated workspace. So, to start, open Claude in your web browser and sign into your account. On the left hand side, look for projects and click on it. Now, this will take you to the project section. So, from here, you can click the new project button at the top right corner. Now enter a name for your project. Down here, you can also add a description to help identify what the project is about. Then tap Create Project. If you're finished, so your new project is now ready. You can start a new chat inside a project and keep your work organized in one place. You can also add files and other information to the project's knowledge section. So anything you add there can be used as a context across chats within the project or within that project. If you want Claude to follow specific rules or respond in a particular way, you can click Instructions. You can click this plus icon and enter your project instructions.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
For example, you could tell Claude to use a professional tone, follow a specific format, or focus on a particular topic. So these instructions apply to chats within that project. And that's it. You've successfully created a project in Claude AI. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.